this place they are working on the bridge. At first, this is the place that the cars have been passing. Let me see whether I can zoom that place where the water is pouring from. Yeah, this place. So the cars pass through the water. Yeah, the cars pass through the water at that place, and now they have constructed the road. They have constructed this new road here. I think this is cool, man. Yeah, as you guys can see, there's a certain car passing there. The car is gonna pass through the water. Yes, you can see yourself passing through the water. Gutter. The road going to Terengganu Road, and this is the Temamutu Road. Yeah, that's the Temamutu Road. So guys, I'll give you guys update on how the road is progressing and stuff, you know. I'll give you guys updates on it. this place is East Legon. East Legon Hills. Hey, sorry for saying East Legon Hills. This place is East Legon, not East Legon Hills. This place is East Legon. You can pass this road to American House also. You can pass the same road to American House and at the same time to Achiringano. This road they are doing is gonna help a lot because a lot of people that will be going to Achiringano road will pass this place because anytime you are going to, let's say, American House, or you are going to any place around going to American House side, the traffic actually, you can be in traffic for 1 hour. So I think this road is gonna help us a lot. That's why many people like taking motors and stuff. They like taking Okada to wherever they want to go. Please, if in case you are watching this video, share the video, subscribe and comment on the video, and also like the video for me to help me, to support me. Thank you guys, thank you each and everyone who have watched this video. I really appreciate. Thank you guys, and always share my videos for me. To Happy New Year in advance. Today is 31st. Okay, thank you guys. I'm coming to end the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.